from Saudi Arabia, domestic helper for 6 years.
Moriel Floraldi, X-ray Technologies from Saudi Arabia for 22 years. Chichi Solas, a caregiver in Saudi Arabia for 7 years.
Juno Piloro, FW from Kuwait, domestic helper for 6 years.
Anissa Talon, housekeeping supervisor for 14 years.
Ed Patindol from Dubai, Chief Supervisor, 15 years.
Joby Jacosa, household services worker for 14 years.
Virgilin Gato, OFW sa Saudi Arabia for 2 years.
DH.
Yunila Subido, OFW, Saudi Arabia, 20 years.
Liza, 10 years, Dubai, domestic helper.
Nesheria, OFW from Saudi Arabia for 3 years. Maria Lilia, OFW, domestic helper from Saudi Arabia for 24 years.
Jen Floraldi from Saudi Arabia for 12 years, working at reception for our hospital.
Edison Cariaga, 34 years, working in Saudi Arabia for food controller.
Kumikita dahil sa Royal International Empire! Ikaw na!